What's up, guys? Today we're making these homemade chicken and waffles, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by making a dry mixture for our air fried wings. So we're going to take our corn, starch, flour, paprika, onion powder, salt, and pepper, and we're going to mix all of that together. This is what you're going to use because we're air frying them. This is going to be like the dry mixture on them. So we just want to mix that until it's completely combined, and then after that we're going to take another bowl and we're going to put in our buttermilk, and then we're going to put in baking powder and baking soda into there, and then we're going to put in an egg, and we're just going to mix it all together until it's combined, so it should be a nice yellow color like this. And then after that, we're going to take our tenderloins. So I just use tenderloins. You could probably use chicken breast if you want, but I wanted smaller pieces. And we're going to dry them off with a paper towel. And I always use gloves when I handle raw chicken just because, ew. After that, we're going to take our dry mixture and our wet mixture, put them side by side, and take our chicken, put it in the dry, and then put it in the wet, and then put it back in the dry again. While you're doing this, you should be preheating your air fryer for 5 minutes at 400 degrees, because once we're done coating all of these, we're going to spray some cooking spray in the air fryer, and we're going to put them in for 6 minutes at 400 degrees, and after they've cooked for 6 minutes, we're going to flip them and do another 6 minutes at 400 degrees. While that's cooking, we're going to make our waffles. So we're going to take our flour, our sugar, our baking powder, and our salt, and we're going to mix all of those together until it's just all combined super well. I mean, there's no color change. All the stuff is white here, so just mix it all together. Then we're going to take our milk, and then we're going to put some vanilla. I like vanilla because it just gives it like the sweet and savory. And then we're going to put eggs and some melted butter in there. And this made a lot of waffles, I'm not going to lie. So I did not have enough chicken for the amount of waffles that I had, but I had waffles for the next couple days, so it was great. So after we combine all of that, we're going to mix the wet and dry ingredients together, and this is going to be your dough for the waffles. So you're just going to mix all of that together until it's completely combined together, and really get on the bottom because there's like a lot of flour that will kind of just sit at the bottom. So after, like I said, we're doing 6 minutes at 400 degrees, flip your wings, and then do another 6 minutes. Because there is the dry mixture on the outside, these do have like a little bit of white on them, but it doesn't change the flavor at all. They're still super, super good. Now we're going to take our dough, and we're going to use our waffle maker, spray it. I have like a spray butter, and so just use your little spray butter. And then we're going to put in our dough and cook our waffles, and that's literally it. And then you're just going to assemble them. And then I made a sausage gravy that I have on the channel that you can look at as well and put it on top of this, and it was literally so good. But bon appetit, y'all.